Hangover vele. Hangover vele man. Take it on E, Senkatele, 10 to teach you got some water. Thank you, busy 9 to 5 in Yanzabi. Take it on E, Senkatele, 10 to teach you got some water. Thank you, please.
Iya, dugulang sanbana ni Ponjoji Papel Uncle Pete from South Sport FM. Namshanja sila on free kora-ish ang Vangiwa.
Sanbonan, this is the big bang, all the way from Putia Camp Bafetu.
Tako.
Nami ngijabulile ukufika la epodcastini yenu bafethu ikhona HMC ngizwe kahle yasho ngoba vele
Tako HMC. Namshanja sino HMC la free kora-ish. HMC mhlambe ungakhona nje ukusiphendula amanye ama-questions esinawo for wena.
Yeah, I would love to answer any questions you got from me, bro.
I was introduced. Tell us who you are. HMC.
Ubani HMC?
Who is HMC? What does HMC stand for?
Yeah,
Where
man.
does HMC come from?
Yeah, man, HMC is a rapper, lyricist. Mhlawumbe ngidila amagama wami ama-colleagues bafethu ngithola. Words to me ama-colleague, yabo. So HMC is a lyricist, ebuya eProtea Clan, born and bred, ngithola, but I've been in many places like eMzansi and isizile kule craft yami. So HMC basically means the H is for here, ngithola, the M is for me, and then the C is for clearly. So HMC ngizwe kahle hear me clearly, ngithola. Yeah.
Tako HMC. HMC, we heard that you are going to release an album. So, you go to mhlawumbe esingakulindela kuleyo album or
It's
your
actually
listeners.
the album is actually out already, yeah.
It's out.
Yeah,
What's the
it's
album?
out, man.
What's the album?
Tell us.
The name of the album is HMC Nabo I Choose. Ngathi ngizokalanga kahle. The name of the album is HMC Nabo I Choose. Yeah, ngithola.
Shaya phuze yazi.
Hayi sithi kancane yabo.
Okay, so HMC on your album le ozoyikhipha. Ikuphi mhlawumbe your friends abangakulindela on your album?
Yeah, into engingayilindela kule album it's for everyone. Yabo, angithi it's for everyone. Endlini kunogogo, kunomama, kunosisi, kunobhuti, kunobaba, kunabantwana. Yangithola. Kwelami album nakwazi ukuhlala nonke and nonke nithole something nijabule nonke. Yangithola. Sihlanganisa ama-family ye manje. Sifuna bodaki bajabule, ori?
Here we KMC.
Nazo.
So, how can you describe the album? And
Yo,
then how
it's-
did it come about?
The coming up out of the album, it was Ukithatha eside man, as an HMC, as an artist, as HMC as an artist nje, ukithatha eside nje, sengirelaxile. Being writing my lyrics, mara yonke into meliphelelekile, I was like, man, isikhathi sokuthi abantu bezwe, ngithola basijatshele bona ngezabo indlebe ukuthi man, this guy is he good or not? I would love vele ni comment there whenever you hear it. Bawuze ku Spotify say something, bawuze ku YouTube say something. Trust me, that into uzosiza mina yabo. Yeah man, let's help each other out. Listen to me, tell me
So,
what
how
you
would you
feel.
describe the sound? What's the sound like?
I'm a hip hop cat. Yabo, mara khona abantu bazokutshela ukuthi there's this hood rap and there's kasi rap. Mina I think it's the difference of languages. Sinama language 11 la eMzansi dog. So if you're gonna say it's hood rap, mina bangifika kuwe ngithi it's kasi rap. It's the same thing, different language. You understand? Kahle kahle rap lengishaya. Yangithola. Hip hop or ni hip hop mara magama azwakelayo wonke umuntu. So if you relate. If you don't, tell me why.
How long did it take you to make this album?
Yo,
You
bro.
said it's 16 tracks, no?
Yeah, it's 16 songs too. And every song has got its own particular story. Indimile, the chorus was not Indimile actually. The chorus was not Indimile. I already had a verse when Funukufaku Baibili like 2 So no Indimile, while I was playing the verse for Baibili, they changed the chorus about because it was a Sunday and there was not even a Bible. It's Long Walk to Freedom. Nah? We had that book, Long Walk to Freedom, and it looked like a Bible. People started singing the Mile. It went so well with the beat and everything. So Kabanga process, it might take a day or two, it might take a week or a month. So it took me like 2 years, Joe. to make this
All
album.
right, Gypsy. So, Awusho, are there any features on your album?
Yo, right. HMC nabo I choose. It's not my new one. Yabo. Yimi nabo I choose bam. Yabo. I choose bam in front of them nabo because they got mad talent to give you.
Okay, ngixolisa ukukhatha. Abobani abo
Abobani.
I choose bakhona nabo.
Who are these?
Fleeting nabo I choose. Ngiyazi bahlezi banawo. Angikho yona. I choose cover. No,
Sure.
I choose this one is these artists is featuring along the way bang long yakuma cypher ngiperforma ngihlangana nawe and I told you ebusweni ukuthi what things ushay feature now ngibalande
Sure.
bonke one by one yabo abobayibili yangithola kayi2 ya understand asiphola SPHOA name futhi siphola mntobo uyabanda
Yabo.
yangithola izinto ezifana nalezo izinto zegame okay no careless yeah man. Baningi nje uyakiwa wena limameli album usinga ukuthi virus kanjani labantu bafaka input engakanani injection isibale ndodo.
All right. Okay, HMC, Awusho, why wena ubhizinisi album mhlawumbe ngabe iziphi inkinga ohlangabezana nazo ukuthi maybe iziphumelele ifike on this level ekuyona njengamanje?
Yo, since I'm an independent artist, I would think independent by choice. As basobalanda labantu, they want to see you do your thing first before bakaya anything. So I take this myself. Yabo ngihlanganisile wonke into lokuhlanganisa bo I choose nje asimdlalo bro. I was umuntu uthi uyamlanda maybe uthole ne babysitter for a certain verse. Yabo. So a lot of things went through me making this album mara ngoba bengifuna ngale ndlela bengifuna ngakhona and the determination and the drive ama-gents amangigaye yona eish. That's how it came about. If it can figure out VDP.
Sure. Yeah, sure. Today, when I'm trapped there, are there any questions?
Okay.
1, 2.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay, sure. Okay, yeah. Is there any song specifically that you like in the album? Okay, how did it come about? Did you just walk up in studio and record that song? Or, give me a little bit of a behind the scenes on that particular song.
Yeah, my friend, and by the way, the producer of my album is Big Bang. What? I tell you this. One of the greatest beats is giving me it was track 4.
Sure.
So I love the beat from the start, but I wasn't sure what it was because of that. Surprisingly, a track I love Ichinchila. Ichinchila is an animal. Yeah, well, abayenzi chasing I America in a fan so no chasing lelo. When it's Ichinchila, I'm not chasing lelo. Go back shift or back by orange in car.
There was this track, Red Dot Ish, I grew up. There was PTL.
That was my first mixtape. Me trying to record myself and taking myself out there because I was a performing artist from the start. I wasn't on the stage. But I decided to record the EP and saying strictly for training purposes. I decided to remix the most favorite songs I like. Whether it be hip hop, whether it be jazz, whether it be what. I got Puma on that. I got India. I was talking about PTLN. I grew up and stuff and so on and so on.
So any future projects coming, toys? How do you plan on promoting your stuff? What are you going to do?
Njengoba ngifile la eFreecorner Ish ngizolaunch i-album i-HMC nabo wachoose ngizolishaya lonke efonini angimind yangithola you're gonna hear me and then that's part of me promoting it and then kusazoba ne-music video for the love y'all gave my song with Kano yangithola into ebhaya I'm gonna do that video first for y'all ukuthi nibone ukuthi uKano ubani yangithola because he's getting a lot of love
So, mhlawumbe ubuyimisela ukuthi uzoyipromotha kanjani your album?
Yazi mfethu ngokuya kwami jo bengakokota house to house marazini since I can't do that since I can't do that. Ngikhokhe house to house. Ngithi HMC nabo choose iphumile lapho. Yena ngena lapho kuma social. Umamela ungaya ama stream. Yeah, since I can't do that. Ngizovela mfethu in your favorite places. Yangithola yazi your piano vat notes. I'll talk to people. I just don't want to name names yet because I've yet to talk to them. Abanye sengibaphethe but it's still in the works yabo. Let's protect other people's names but otherwise yeah I'm going to be popping up all over Soweto. All over Soweto.
Alright, H. So, in terms of ama features, we were now on top of feature the way we show my corner.
Yeah.
So, the food was which mean that maybe after this album, after dropping this album, actually, in my opinion, like, what next actually for HMC?
My type of music, my favorite thing, Guys, if we call it,
This is all that too. All of a sudden, I'm gonna mistake you.
This is what I told my friend here, 3 corner ish, 30 HMC, having up for team.
So HMC, tell me, through the process of making this album, how do you feel like you've evolved as an artist? Looking back at when you started recording the first song on this album.
yeah, man, like I was saying, but my music is different. When I'm trying to get into the job, hey, long walk to freedom, say, Nandela, Mandela, Marang, walk up, I lie, I can't understand. I want to make my own
So,
thing.
are there any challenges that you met while you were making this album?
A lot, Joe. The challenges were a lot. But then I overcome them. But I was just seeing you was one endless now. Good time when I'm going hefty. I'm trying to come and see
Zola too.
Love the love. Yeah, so I'm trying when I will be telling
So what would you say to up-and-coming artists, to the youth that are also trying to make music, that are also trying to get into the music industry? What advice do you have for them?
Ladies and gentlemen in this entertainment industry, don't give up. Ubaleki kwa baba ngiyakho yonke ungathuki yeah isibindi ungasidli kuphela isibindi siyo abantu abanganaso yangithola.
Alright, so HMC utholakala kuphi your social handles?
Oh yeah man, HMC hear me clearly, HMC underscore hear me clearly with TikTok, HMC hear me clearly with Instagram, and then it's Shabalala with Facebook.
And then the album, where do we get the album? Where do we stream it?
In all digital platforms, Amazon, in fact. You understand? When again I know Google, YouTube, and search HMC Nabo, I choose. When again I know go Apple, the plus Apple, and Patelela Yonkin and Kazagat. Ngenani there go iMusic, iTunes, research HMC Nabo, I choose. You won't be disappointed. Never being clean go yako the same or mamele HMC Nabo, I choose. You know, shy get down, bro. Yeah.
Any final messages to your viewers, to your listeners, to your friends?
Bugelani Ifri Corner Ish, this is where we're breaking the internet. Why not? It's a gas, you know. It's not just they see good. All we do is fun. That's all.
Thank you for to HMC now on 3 corner ish. HMC is one of the performance yako. I think with your
I choose.
I choose.
I choose my card. I say, soon.
Alright, Bafeto, this is our first episode of 3 corner ish. Sisezola 2, bantu bayadlula kumnandi.
Sure.
Danko means thank you, Bafeto.
Danko means thank you. Until the next time.
Sure.
That's I can spend any sometimes.
Alright, Bafeto.
Yeah, keep it out.
It's a wrap.
Hayi la kunandaba hayi ke all this melithathe nengoma ngoba vele ano